Damn guys, you guys ready for this? People wanted JDM and not supercars. I think we got some JDM. Hey. Here's that van again.
It's crazy, dude. It has a GTR engine in it.
It does. Look at this thing in the light. It's insane. You guys, welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven Exotics. This is going to be a bit of a crazy evening. We're here in Tokyo, Japan. You know, we've been doing supercar content and some people wanted a little more of the JDM life, so this is gonna be it.
Tatsumi parking area. This is a place that a lot of guys come here on nights, not necessarily like tonight, but we put out the word that we were gonna be here and people came out to see Dde tonight. We got a bunch of cars together, some bands, we got RX-7s, everything else. This is a hangout where people come and then they get on the highway right here and you do the loop around Tokyo on the Shito Express.
You're cruising, man, you're cruising. Look at this. You know, dude, this thing is so clean.
Wow.
Check it out. I love the build on it. Like, look at all the carbon canards and the arrow.
Yeah.
Look at the headlights.
Look
at this thing. Look at the wide body kit on it. You guys wanted to see like real Tokyo drift action? This is it, bro. What a crazy build.
TCP Magic is an Osaka-based company that makes the body kits. Look at this thing.
Look how wide that is.
Wide that thing comes out. Look at those fenders, those vents on that. Wow.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Holy cow.
And then the hood and everything.
Wide body back here, the hood.
Yeah, look at
this. This
all
is all
widened. The
see what they
whole
do?
quarter panel.
All quarter panel now. Oh, that rotary.
Oh, look at it.
Oh, yeah.
It's almost got like, kind of like the, you know, the way that the LEDs are?
Yeah.
It kind of reminds me of almost like a Lambo.
You're right.
Wow. Super cool.
He looks quiet. I bet you got the wheel of this car. This guy's mad.
Whoa. Look at the turbo, dude. The turbo's massive. This is crazy, bro.
It's a big turbo.
Yeah.
He's got a Porsche turbo in here. This is a ported rotary engine with a Porsche turbo.
That's super cool.
That is crazy, man.
How much power does he know?
Whoa! 460 ponies under this thing, dude, man.
It's such a
an
light car.
RX-7 like this. Crazy.
It'd be out of control.
Oh my God.
Out of control. Look at this thing. This thing's wide body too. It's like so freaking wide. Dave, you see this? The way that the way that it's bolted on over the doors and everything. And then look at this. Look at how much that comes out on the front fenders. But this is what you really got to see, dude.
That's crazy.
You wanted canards? He's got a canard that's. Look how big that is. The surface area.
I've never seen anything like this before.
No.
It makes the R8 look tame.
It totally makes it look tame, doesn't it? Look at this. He's got canards that are on canards coming out the side. This kit is all race parts.
Oh, this is like real deal, expensive race stuff. Yeah.
For the RX-7
Absolutely.
specifically.
Yep.
GT3. Love it. What?
Caution.
Oh my God, it's so cute.
Look at this van.
It's a Honda.
It's a Honda. It's all decked out inside with all the accessories. Look at that screen. This is a K truck.
It's just super cool looking.
Yeah, it's really cool. Look at the wheels. And and tire stickers.
He's got tire stickers on it.
Yeah. A lot of detail on this little van.
Dude, this backdrop of Tokyo in the background. I mean, come on. It doesn't get any better than this, man. This is a good way to blow out the final night to start off. I mean, this is amazing.
Pretty amazing.
Yeah. This is the Nerd Spec Gtr 35 wrapped in animation. Nice.
This thing looks crazy in the light like this.
So crazy.
Because now you can see all the angles.
Yeah.
That's sick. Yeah, you're driving.
I'm driving.
I want no part of driving. Here we go. Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Dude, I love how all the doors are just automated and open up for you. Look at this. Look at all the race seats. These seats are insane.
I met this guy. I was driving the Aventador one day, the SV, right? And I'm blasting down the road. And all of a sudden I look in my rearview mirror, I see a van, a HIACE van, just coming up on me, gets next to me, and he just takes off. Leaves me in the dust. I catch up with him, I said, dude, that's not a normal HIACE van, is it? He says, no, it's not.
All right, here we go. Steve's taking me for a ride in a R35 powered van. Dave, how you doing back there?
This is actually really comfortable. This is amazing. I might have a nap. That's not gonna happen.
In race seats. In race seats. Oh,
Did it come with us?
Whoa.
dude.
What did he say to you?
He said the clutch grabs really quickly, be careful. It's gonna lock it up then.
Look at it. Hold on. Give it a little rev. It's a van. Oh! Whoa!
Wow, did you hear that blow up?
What the heck?
Wow.
I can't believe we're in a van.
I can't either.
Think about this. The same engine that's in that car is in this thing. See ya! Oh! That's amazing. We're ripping Tokyo in a van.
In a van.
What? Well, the brakes work.
The brakes do work.
The brakes do work. Look at these streets. The streets of Tokyo are my favorite, man. It's like driving in a video game.
Wow.
We're on it in the van. Yeah!
Insane, dude.
It's so insane. See ya! Baby, it moves. Look at us.
Strip back here. You can feel the torque.
Right?
The whole van's like bop, bop.
All right, you got this with the clutch?
I got it. There you go. Yeah!
Hey.
Yeah! I got it.
Yeah! Whoa! That's sick. Okay, this is what we were all just in. I can't even explain how crazy of an experience that was.
Hold on a second. My mom's minivan never shot flames. My childhood sucked.
Do you see that thing?
Yeah, I felt it. It singed my facial hair.
We know it didn't singe your head. Hair.
Got the green glow under my car.
The green glow. This would go with your car pretty well, wouldn't it? I think you get some of these wheels like this with the spin, little green underglow.
What do you guys think? Comment below. Should we already get some lights on it? Because in Japan, everything has lights on it. The highways, the streets, people, cars,
Lights.
Lights.
It's about the bling.
lights.
All about.
Does that have a hot menu in that vending machine right there?
Perhaps.
Can we go look real quick?
Sure.
Oh, you were
Yeah, dude.
joking.
I won't joke about that.
I have not seen hot food yet.
All right, remember I was looking the other day?
It's a hot dog.
Hot dog. You wanted a hot dog, did you not? Should we get a hot dog?
I'm kind of scared.
Don't.
Is it good? Is it good?
Is it good? Look at that thing. Does that look good? Hell yeah, that's good.
Here, hot dog.
We
Let's
need.
do it.
Give me 370 yen. Okay, we're going hot dog. Oh, she's telling you it's ready. It's ready. Open the door, please. It's very steamy. Wow, it's got ketchup on it already too. Oh, look at that. They must have modeled this after somebody we know.
What did you buy?
Oh, we just ordered a hot dog from the vending machine behind you.
I want to buy it.
You want to bite my wing?
Get in there. Get in there. Right?
Not bad for a vending machine hot dog, huh?
episode. He's asking me to sign his roof.
I'd be honored.
This van is the craziest van I've ever been in. So here's the new plan.
Yeah.
We're gonna take this thing.
Yes.
This thing's so cute. It's gonna be the camera car.
Yes.
And we're gonna have the van do some exterior. I'm gonna capture it ripping by.
Oh yeah.
I
Some
can't wait.
flames.
Look at this. We get to ride in this.
You ready?
Dude, look at this. The van scene here is strong, bro. You gotta step up your van game, Dave.
Looking on it.
Look at the monitor. The monitor's almost as big as the windshield.
The mirror and the monitor together are bigger than the windshield.
Oh, this has got the mirror
Yeah,
with the
integrated
monitor
thing.
in it.
Yep.
I like that. Jeez. Listen to this thing.
Wind it up.
Wind it up. The van. Yeah. Dude, this thing's shooting crazy flames. Oh my God, it's gone!
Did you see that flash? Oh my God!
Whoa!
Yeah!
That's so sick! See you guys. Bye. See you guys. What an amazing crew. We had such a good night, but we're freezing. That's it for this section.
Yeah. We gotta go down. We gotta go down to. I got some places to show you, man. It's still early by Tokyo.
Let's do it.
It's only midnight, brother.
Downtown.
City.